Good morning, students. This is Professor Eknath Aire from Department of Pharmaceutics, Divine College of Pharmacy, Satana. Students, as uh, as we know, in last lecture we already discussed regarding the introductory part of the uh, Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. Today we will going to discuss regarding the next part of this Act of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960 and their rules. Okay, so in today's lecture, we will going to discuss the first of all different type of definitions used in this uh, act, or we can say rule. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss regarding animal. So, what is meant by actually animal? uh, which object we can called as an animal. So any living creature other than a human being is known as a animal. ओके, तर इथं काय आहे की ॲनिमल कोण असणार आहे? ॲनिमल म्हणजे ह्युमन शिवाय जो काही दुसरा कोणताही प्राणी असेल त्याला आपण याच्यामध्ये ॲनिमल कन्सिडर करतो ॲज पर दिस डेफिनेशन. देन सेकंड वन definition is a breeder. So what is meant by breeder? So breeder is a person, including institution, which breeds animals for the purpose of transfer to the authorized institution for performing experiments. So breeder means whomsoever or whatsoever is there. It may be institution, it may be person, and that person, that institution particularly develop the particular animal for the experimentation of the project or any type of experimentation. So this is regarding the breeder. Next definition is a committee. So what is meant by committee here? So committee is a any individual, okay, any single person or any single organization, any company, any firm, any corporation, any institution other than schools up to the higher secondary level which performs experimentation on animals. So this particular indicates the regarding of the committee. So that is known as a committee according to of this act. Next definition is a experiment. So what is meant by experiment? So experiment is a any program or project involving experiments on animal or one than more animal for the purpose of advancement by a new discovery of physiological knowledge which will be useful for saving or prolonging life or alleviating suffering or for combating any disease whether on human being or the animals. सो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स म्हणजे काय असणार आहे की एक्सपेरिमेंट असं कोणताही प्रोग्राम असेल, असं कोणताही प्रोजेक्ट असेल ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण तो प्रोजेक्ट किंवा तो प्रोग्राम आपण ह्युमन बिईंग किंवा ॲनिमलच्या जे काही तुमचं लाईफस्टाईल असेल ते बेटर करण्यासाठी त्या ठिकाणी आपण जर समजा एखादा प्रोजेक्ट करतोय तर त्याला म्हणतात एक्सपेरिमेंट. ओके, इन शॉर्ट आपण जी काही ह्युमन बिईंगची ॲनिमलची जी काही लाईफस्टाईल असेल त्याला बेटर करण्यासाठी ज्या प्रकारचा स्टडी करतो किंवा ज्या प्रकारचा प्रोग्राम और प्रोजेक्ट त्या ठिकाणी डेव्हलप करण्यात आले त्याला म्हणू आपण एक्सपेरिमेंट. नेक्स्ट definition is institutional animal ethical committee or the animal ethics committee. So what is meant by this committee or the what type of constitution includes this committee? So let's see. So it is a body comprising of a group of persons recognized and registered by the committee for the purpose of control and supervision on animals performed in an establishment which is constituted and operated in accordance with procedure specified for the purpose of the committee. So what is in the committee? So committee includes the person recognized ॲज अ रजिस्टर बाय द कमिटी. सो याच्यामध्ये काय असेल की जे काही तुमचं पर्टिक्युलर इन्स्टिट्यूट असेल त्या इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये ज्या ज्या ठिकाणी ज्या इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये प्रोजेक्टचं काम चालू असेल आणि ते ॲनिमल स्टडी त्या ठिकाणी करत असेल तर त्या इन्स्टिट्यूशनची एक कमिटी असणार आहे, जी की कमिटी ॲनिमल एक्सपेरिमेंटच्या इथिक्सवर त्या ठिकाणी काम करेल. ओके. सो एनिथिंग if anything is happening with in a unethical way at that time, they may act over there, or they may act, or they can take action against of them. Okay, so it is related to institutional animal ethics committee. Next definition is a cruelty to animals. So what is mean by actually cruelty to animals? So let's see what is the definition of cruelty. So it includes subjecting any animal to unnecessary pain or suffering or treatment. So if we give necessary pain or the necessary we are going to suffering to this any animal, so it is called as a cruelty. Okay. So employing any unfit animal for work or labor, it is also comes under the cruelty. Then willfully and unreasonably administering any injurious drug or the substance to any domestic or the captive animals, etc. Okay. Then uh, keeping or the confirming any animal in any case of insufficient size not permitting is रिजनेबल मुवमेंट. तर अशा कोणत्याही प्रकारच्या ॲनिमलला आपण जर समजा त्याच्या बॉडीच्या आकारापेक्षा कमी जागेत आपण त्याला त्या ठिकाणी ठेवतोय तर ते पण त्या ठिकाणी एक क्रुल्टी होऊ शकते. देन फेल्युअर टू प्रोव्हाइड एनी ॲनिमल विथ सफिशियंट फूड, ड्रिंक और शेल्टर बाय इट्स ओनर. जर समजा कोणताही ओनर त्याच्याकडे जे ॲनिमल आहे त्या ॲनिमलला व्यवस्थित प्रकारे फूड, ड्रिंकिंग वॉटर अँड आश्रय जर समजा देत नसेल तर ती पण एक क्रुल्टी त्या ठिकाणी कन्सिडर करण्यात येते. देन नीडलेसली मल्टिलॅटिंग अँड ॲनिमल ऑर किलिंग एनी ॲनिमल इन अन unnecessary cruel manner. If somebody is going to kill unnecessarily any animal, then it is obviously comes under the cruelty to animals. Then treating animals cruelty is an offense and it is a punishable with fine up to 50 rupees in the first instance, and if a second offense is committed within 3 years of the previous offense, the fine may extend to the rupees 100 or with imprisonment up to the 3 months or both with both. Okay, so it is a punishable offense and it may be gives that person to the imprisonment also. Then institutional animal ethics committee. Every institutional animal ethical committee shall includes a biological science. Uh, so what actually here is the constitution regarding of the animal ethical committee. So animal ethical committee should contains one of biological scientists, two scientists from the different biological disciplines other than the same biological discipline, other disciplines. Then a veterinarian invited in the case of the animals, the scientist in charge of the animal facility of the establishment concern. Okay, so whatever veterinarian is there which is appointed under of this committee. Then one scientist is there and is from the outside of the institution. Then a non-scientist socially aware member should be there. Then a representative or the nominee of the committee, then a specialist may be co-opted while reviewing special project using hazardous agents such as radioactive substances and deadly microorganisms. Then next definition is breeding and the stocking of animals. So what is by breeding? Breeding and stocking of animal. So let's see, only registered establishment can carry on the business of breeding of animals for the purpose of experiment. सो कोणी त्या प्रकारे कोणी त्या ठिकाणी विना परवानगी ॲनिमलचं ब्रीडिंग करू शकत नाही, त्याला प्रॉपर परमिशनची गरज असणार आहे. एव्हरी breeder shall apply for registration within 60 days from the date of commencement of the breeding of the experiment on animals and stop breeding. No to then stop breeding should be stopped if the committee refuses registration. Okay, if in some case the committee may reduce your application. If it is rejected, if it is rejected, then you should stop this work. The application should be made in a specified format to be to the member secreted by the committee in this regards. So they should have to give the specific application in a specific prescribed format. For the registration of the establishment breeders, the government of India has set up the committee for the purpose of control and supervision of experiments on the animals under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment at Shastri Bhavan, New Delhi. Okay, so one central organization, or we can say central government committee is there, which is directly control over of this all processes or the animal experimentation processes. So let's see. So here is the Central Animal Ethical Committee, and it constitutes with two members of the ICMR nominated by the central government. So what is by ICMR? Indian Council of Medical Research. Okay, then the two members of the ICAR, so Indian Council of Agriculture Research, are nominated by the central government. Then two members are from the scientists, and industrial research are nominated by the central government. Then two members are representing universities granting medical and the veterinary degree, are nominated by the central government. Then one elected member of Lok Sabha elected by the house, then one member of Rajya Sabha elected by the house. Then the five non-official members are there, and which are actively, or which should be actively engaged in the promotion of animal welfares. Okay, then what are the duties and powers of this particular committee? So let's see. So first of all, they having uh, powers regarding the institutional experimentation supervision. Okay, they have to supervise that particular reported type of experimentations are going on in a good way or not. Then institutional experimentation permission. So whatever permission is there, they should have to taken from of this committee. Then assurance of the qualified person experiment handling. Then registration of animal laboratory, monitoring animal condition before experimentation. Then registered breeders only. So whatever we have to do experimentation upon animals, so we have to purchase that animals from the registered breeders only. Then experimentation should be performed only under anesthesia. It should not perform without any anesthesia. If possible, suggest to use small animals instead of the large animal or the big animal. Do not perform as a public demonstration. Then maintenance of the record should be there in a proper way. Then monitoring of the rules of the act in a good way. Then here is the one point is there, which is do not perform as a public demonstration. So you can't perform any type of animal experimentation in the public demonstration, so you can't. Then what are the power of inspection? So there are the some inspection power. It may be he can enter or that particular responsible person should enter at any time considered reasonable by him and inspect any institution or place in which experiments on animals are being carried out. Then required any person to produce any record kept by him with respect to the experiments on animal. So these are the power of the inspection. Then what are the powers to prohibit experiments on the animal? So let's see. If the committee is satisfied on the record of any officer or other, then the person made to it as a result of any inspection under section 18 or otherwise that the rule made by it under section 17 are not being followed, the committee may, after giving an opportunity to that person or that institution carrying on the experiment, either for a specific period or any, reject the experiment or may reject the experiment. Then here are the some penalties related of this act. So upon breaching of any condition is punishable. So breaching means any type of hurting. Any condition is punishable with the extending to rupees of 200. Okay, when the contravention takes place in the result in the institution, the person in charge shall be guilty of the offense and shall be punishable accordingly. So whatever wrong experiments or the unethical experiments are going on, so in that case that particular institute's head should be responsible for that. Okay, so I hope all of you understand this prevention of cruelty of animal act 1960. If anything is there, you can drop the message or you can do your uh, you can ask the question in the comment box or me personally. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you.